Hi, National 5 Accountants. It's Mr. Arthur here. In lesson one, we're going to look at FIFO, so first in, first out inventory control. On the right hand side of the screen, you'll see the question. So there's 5 dates, and we need to look at handling it first in, first out. Okay, so I'll kind of talk you through. So in the first transaction was on the 10th of May, so we're going to fill in 10th of May, and it was we purchased 200 boxes of this part 264 at £3.40. So you do 200 boxes at £3.40, and you would use the formula B4 star C4, and that'll multiply them together. So we've got 200 boxes at £3.40, and it's a receipt because it's inventory coming in. So in our balance, we've got 200 at £3.40 is 680. So that's the first transaction completed. Second transaction was on the 28th of June. We had 220 boxes at £3.50. So just similar to the first transaction, you'll just multiply, this time is B6 star C6. So we've got 220 boxes at £3.50 is £770. So in our balance, we'll write our initial purchase was the 200 at £3.40, and also we'll fill in the 220 at £3.50 at 770. So in this wee totals column, you'd add them together, so that'll give you can add that plus that, give you 1450. Now the next transaction 3 is our first issue, so 2nd of July we're going to issue inventory. So we're going to issue 170 boxes. Now because we've got two different values of inventory. We've got one lot at £3.40 and one lot at £3.50. But because we're doing first in, first out, we're going to issue them at £3.40. So we're going to issue 170 at £3.40. Okay. Now that's going to affect our balance. We had 200 at £3.40 and we've issued 170, so that leaves 30 at £3.40. Okay, so we've got 30 at £3.40, and we've also got 220 at £3.50, which was £770. Okay, and then I would just do my total. I'll just do it quickly. I could use my formula, but it's going to be 872. So that's transaction 3. The next one is the 5th of July. We purchased another 200 boxes at £3 each, so it's going to be a receipt, 200 boxes at £3 each, so 600. You use the formula, I'm just doing it quickly, and that's going to, our balance is then going to be 30 boxes at £3.40, which is 102, 220 boxes at £3.50, 770, and 200 boxes at £3 is going to mean our total is going to be 1472. Okay. Now the final thing we need to do is we need to issue 100 boxes. Now this is when it can get a wee bit tricky. So I'm going to put in the date. So the date is going to be the 7th of July. 7th of July, and we need to issue 100 boxes. Now if you look at our balance, we've got 30 at £3.40, 220 at £3.50 and 200 at £3. Now because we are using FIFO, we're going to issue 30 of them at £3.40, but I need to issue 100 in total, so I'm going to issue 30 at £3.40, which is 102. And in order to make up the 100, I need to issue another 70, and I'm going to issue 70 at the value of £3.50, and that makes us up to 100. Okay, so I'm issuing 30 at £3.40 and 70 at £3.50. So when I'm looking at my balance, I've used up all of that. I had 220 at £3.50, but I've issued 70, so that's going to leave me, I would do probably that, 220 minus 70. So I'm going to have 150 at £3.50. and I've still got 200 at £3. Okay, and then I would add that together, so I would be doing equals that plus that. So that's your final answer. And if you want to change that to currency, say that's stayed it as a normal number, you just go to format, number, and make that currency. So that's a quick overview of first in, first out inventory control. Take care, everyone. Thanks for listening.